more.
Yes, my subscribers, people. This man say, Shop Boss again. This man say, yeah man. People, Britney a talk out people. This man say, talk, explain what our family me deal with her, our brother deal with her and things. This man say, pop out all her ear. You understand? This man say, out her head back and all these things, people. Don't know, it's blood thicker than water and people, but you know, sometimes I tell you the truth. You know, I talk more time now, it seems real. It's blood thicker than water, people, because your own family shake you up, people. The whole family want to kill you. The whole family hurt you. The whole family people are bring you down and anything with people. So, yo, take a listen, people, and listen to what she have to say. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Take a listen. Up. Shop Boss TV, people. Subscribe and like. People, share. Love this video. Thumbs up, people. Up, people. Loving it. Yeah, man.
Britney explained what happened today. She's hurting. Send genuine prayers for her.
Everything they go on, me towel what me either van car bait, me go to do for bait for go bait. Me towel drop off of me, and the boy they video me while the boy thump me up in me, and all the boy they do, bro. All them a do a laugh and video, bro. And then no, like all of them push me in my room. After like a boy beat me up and all he do a push me in my room, bro. And when he push me in my room, me here then start nail up my door and so on I go on like I say, and me a worst thing. Me hear them a nail up my door and something about how much me know if come out and this and that. And me say, oh, so I go do it. And then now, this land where me depend is not my land. It's my aunt's land. I am a family person, and you can tell that because I built my house here. I'm a family person. That's why I built my house here. But you see, my family, they're not all about me, bro. So you see, because always they say things say your blood thicker than water, but sometimes some water me see push out for me, bro. Can you see my blood? Then I want to see me have nothing. Last week, and me and my brother they fight. My brother drag out my head back. I hit my ball off my head today because all of my head back gone. So my nail broke off. Him beat me up last week, and now him give the mace permission. He say, yo, kill her if you are kill her. And that him said to him mace. And then yo, he start video. While me and the mace start, yo, the mace just start fist me up in my face really swear. And I hear from my come from Mount Salem Hospital, I hear some there. And a boy come in me yard come beat me up and video me. And my mother they pay him. I say before you want to kick off people, I tell you no like me call my mother. And I say yo, one of me because see me come fly up in my face. I say as me come off my phone because my mother say yo she not do nothing about it, you know. My mother say yo me tired on it. Every day now cuss. It says me hang up your phone, so I saw thump me feeling on my face there while me now me a cuss and fight and me I say bro, me have to go move, bro. I have to move. I got to move, bro. I don't know his name. Didn't I tell you I don't really talk to them. I stay in my house because they don't like me. They talk it publicly. But when you're gonna come in my house and put up your phone and let people beat up your own blood in front of your face, it don't matter what you have, bro. You cross the line. You can't make a little outside man come. You know? And they come have so much power. The boy not there a month yet, you know. The boy not there 1 month yet, you know. And I left Gabi and I spit on the ground and I say, pussy. You make sure so when I come back, I not see you in my yard, you know. Can you violate me, you know. And you see me? Me a good you, but you see when you violate me, sir, for show you how me not like disrespect, bro. I would build a house, because I would stay in a man house and make man beat me, bro. I take them something serious, that's why me never yet lick people first, bro. Is this boy gonna push up? Yo, say him a deal with me, you know. When I time I beat me in my head in the man, and me I say, help. When me look round, bro, I 2 camera, 3 camera, me see my people, them a video me, bro. And you see me same sister, she has a laugh. She has a laugh the same way how she did a laugh when she met me look her brother step up in my head. The same way she laugh. I know why she laugh, because she knows say yo, Brit single and Brit not have no man. You see when the boy them rape me and me come back on me yard, them give me such a hard time, brother. They give me a hard time. They call me name, they call me mad, they call me this. When I don't mad, me mad, bro. I was outnumbered, bro. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do when the 4 man a box me up one pum pum? And the people them mad and me, bro, for no reason. So me say, yo, me have to go move, bro. Me have to move. Me have to move and me can't stay here, so. Me can't stay right there, so. And me stay right there, so. Every day I go remember, I go try to fight him. Cause me see boy come at me tomorrow. Me I go take up my knife. And when me take up my knife, me I aim for his neck. Cause me sit down in a cell for him. Cause you know why? You can't come in my place and come feel like you want to come diss me. And not only that, in try to video me. I know say yo boy gone and you gone showing you look dirty people them why ma beat me up in my head. Pull off my towel, my titty out the door. Only thing me now one black panty, guys. It's a black drawers me in that alone. Me breast out the door, everything. The boy they beat me up and his friend they smile and I video it. And me I say yo, none of you can stay here, you know. If I dirt, you know. I'm warning him, you know, I tell him, say, yo, you're doing enough, you know. You beat me a video, see? If you go sell a video and get the money, go sell a video and get the money. Respect. Cool? But you see, if tomorrow come, I'm seeing boy ma coming in my yard for go lay a wish black. Me lay engraved than a tough cut, what me say? And you see me can't accomplish it? Me lay my engraved than a tough cut. Because some see it, I wonder where I go dead. And I feel like my people that will watch the boy kill me. Yeah. But remember, say me tell us, say boy, diss me. And me have to go, me have to step. Me can't make it slide, bro. You can't come in my yard, come deal with me, so. This little pissy tail mason man. He might build much people house and he never build a house for himself. Yo, me make you know, say, yo, see me or not see me, you know. Cause you're bigger than me, you know. Why you come man and go me for me, no money, you know. Why you do?